Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Law Legal Math. Today, we are going to discuss about our Constitution. What is Constitution? About Indian Constitution and its important dates. So let's begin. So, what is Constitution? Constitution is an aggregate of fundamental principles or established precedents that constitute the legal basis of polity, organization, or other type of entity, and commonly determine how the entity is to be governed. When these principles are written down into a single document or set legal documents, those documents may be said to embody of a written constitution. If they are encompassed in a single comprehensive document, it is said to embody a codified constitution. Some constitutions, such as that of United Kingdom, are uncodified but written in numerous fundamental acts of legislature, court cases, or treaties. So, next, let's talk about our Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is also known as Bharatiya Samvidhan, and which is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers and duties of government and institutions, and sets of fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of the citizens. It is the longest written constitution of any country on earth. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of drafting committee, is widely considered to be its chief architect. It imparts constitutional supremacy, not parliamentary supremacy, since it was created by a constituent assembly rather than parliament, and was adopted by its people with a declaration of its preamble. Parliament cannot override the constitution. B.R. Ambedkar and Constitution of India on 2015 postage stamp of India. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950. The Constitution replaced the Government of India Act 1935 as the country's fundamental governing document, and the Dominion of India became the Republic of India. To ensure constitutional autonomy, its framers repealed prior acts of the British Parliament in Article 395. India celebrates its constitution on 26 January as a Republic Day. So let's talk about now important dates. 6 December 1946, the formation of Constitution Assembly. 9 December 1946, the first meeting was held in a Constitution Hall. 11th December 1946, the Assembly appointed Rajendra Prasad as its president. 13th December 1946, an objective resolution was represented by Jawaharlal Nehru, laying down the underlying principles of the Constitution. This later became the preamble of the Constitution. 26th January 1947, the objective resolution unanimously adopted. 22 July 1947, national flag adopted, and on 15 August 1947 achieved independence. India split into Dominion of India and Dominion of Pakistan. 29 August 1947, drafting committee appointed with B.R. Ambedkar as its chairman, and the other 6 members of committee were Munshi Muhammad Sadullah, Alhadi Krishan Swami Iyer, N. Gopal Swami Ayanagar, Khaitan and Mitra. 16 July 1948, along with Harendra Komar Mukherjee, V.T. Krishnamachari was also elected as second vice president of Constituent Assembly. 26 November 1949, the Constitution of India was passed and adopted by the Assembly. 24 January 1950, the last meeting of Constituent Assembly, the Constitution was signed and accepted, with 395 articles, 8 schedules, and 22 parts. 26 January 1950, the Constitution became into force. The process took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days, at total expenditure of 6.4 million to finish. Thank you all from Law Legal Mate. If you have enjoyed this video and want to hear me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go.